what exactly do you do as an online business owner? So today I'm going to share a typical day. What does it look like for me on a regular weekday? My name is Farhana. I have been doing this digital marketing business for the last 6 years now. The way my day looks has changed with each stage of my life. So when I started the business, I had a year and a half old child and I was pregnant with my second baby. That stage looked completely different. A few years later, in the business, I had two toddlers who were all day home with me. I was taking care of them. That stage of my life looked completely different. At this stage, after 6 years, right now, the situation is both my kids go to school. My older one is 7, my younger one is 4. The night before, I do all the preparation for what my day is going to look like. I make a to-do list of things which I want to accomplish, business wise, personal wise, any appointments I need to make and everything. So night before is what my planning of my day starts. I do that. Wake up at 7 in the morning. The kids lunches and everything are ready. I wake them up. I get them ready. They are off to school. 8:30, quarter to 9, they are out of the house. From 9 o'clock onwards till 3 o'clock. This is the time when it is my time. Alternate days, I do a 30-minute workout from home. I do not go to a gym. I do not have any of these fancy things, but my few dumbbells which are right over here under my desk, a mat which I use, and I follow a YouTube channel and I do a 30-minute workout, 30 to 45 minutes workout on alternate days. That's what I do to keep my body moving, and I feel it's very important for me to feel the energy that I need for my business, for my kids, for my life. So from 10:30 to 1:30 is when I have all my work related, talking to people, having doing the strategy calls for people who have opted for the trial, and I'm their coach. So all the strategy calls I schedule in this time. I have my lunch in the middle. Around 12 is when I usually like to have my lunch. Me and my husband, both of us have lunch together. He also works from home. 1:30, I'm done. I would pray the afternoon prayers, finish off responding to messages and everything, any emails, any text messages, any responses that anyone has had on my ads or something. If somebody is asking me questions about next steps, getting started, they want to get in the program or something, I would respond to all of that. 2 o'clock, I shut off everything. I take a nap. I take a nap for 35 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes. This is something which I have been doing for like I think a year and a half, 2 years now, and it is so peaceful. It is so peaceful. That time from 2 to around 2:30 to 40, I'll take a nap. I'll get up. I'll around 3 o'clock, I leave to pick up my son, get him home. If he wants to play in the park around his school, we'll spend some time letting him play over there. I pick up my younger son. My husband picks up my older son. Both the kids are home by around 3:30, quarter to 4. Everybody is home. I prepare homemade snacks for them. Sometimes they would whatever they want to eat. Healthy homemade snacks is what we do from around 4. It is our family time. It is our peace time. My phone is away in a separate room. No devices, no TV on, nothing. Just the four of us talking how their day went and everything. So that's what we do. Then around 5:30 on 3 days of the week, my kids have evening classes, so we drop them there. They get home. From 7:30 onwards, we start preparing them for bath, dinner, bedtime. 8:30, both the kids are in bed, and that is the time now when me and my husband, we spend time with each other. I try to use my phone minimum during the evening times. Only if like around 15-20 minutes I would look at it. To if there's any urgent messages or something, I'll respond to those. Otherwise, I try to minimize the use of my phone during the evenings and try to be present. You watch some series together, either Netflix or Amazon Prime or something or the other. We'll watch in the evening and we go to bed at 10:30 in the night. We try to wrap it up and go to bed and wake up again at 7, close to 7 in the morning. So that's how I spend my days as an online business owner. This is the current stage of my life, which and the freedom, peace, and flexibility that the business gives me. I don't think I'll trade this for any job, anything. This is something which I have built for the last 6 years, grown it to a level, and I know this is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life. This is it for me. And if you are looking for something which gives you the same kind of satisfaction, freedom, time, and income, we all do this for money, right, and income, then check it out. This is something that can work for you also. I wish you all the best, and I will see you again in the next video.